Good morning student, let's start our topic and here we will talk about remaining part of chapter 7. In previous video we solved some questions, in this video we solve some other identities and other questions. Okay, let's begin. Question number 30. Question number 30, if cos A upon cos B equal m and cos A upon sin B equal n, then prove that m square plus n square into cos square B equal n square. Taking LHS part m square plus n square into cos square B, m square. Value of m is cos A upon cos B. Here we put cos square A upon cos square B. Value of n according to given question cos A upon sin B. So cos square A upon sin square B. Multiply cos square B as it is. Taking LCM, cos square B sin square B, cos square B sin square B, cos square B cancel out, sin square B into cos square A sin square B, sin square B cancel out, cos square B into cos square A, cos square B as it is. Cos square B cancel out. Here common part is cos square A common, remaining part sin square B cos square B. Upper lower part cos square B sin square B, cos square B sin square B as it is, cos square B as it is. Cos square B cancel out. Cos square A, we know that according to identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Therefore here sin square B plus cos square B we put 1, so value of sin square B cos square B equal 1 into cos square A upon sin square B as it is. According to given question value of n is cos A upon sin B, so here we put cos square A upon sin square B equal n square and n square is RHS, LHS equal RHS, hence prove. Next question. Next topic, trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. Here we write complementary angles. What is complementary angle? Sum of two angle is 90 degree. Then two angle are called complementary angle. Complementary angle means sum of two angle is 90 degree. Okay. Complementary angle of any acute angle, theta will be 90 minus theta. It means here we draw a triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC. In right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Angle B 90. We let angle A is theta. Then in this triangle A and C are acute angle. So we let angle A is theta, then angle C is 90 minus theta, because according to complementary angle definition sum of two angle is 90 degree, therefore theta and 90 minus theta. Here we write in triangle ABC trigonometric ratios for angle theta and 90 minus theta. Here we write some identities for theta and 90 minus theta. First identity, according to trigonometric ratios, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 degree minus theta equal cos theta. Relation between sin and cos, therefore opposite of cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Relation between tan and cot, tan 90 degree minus theta, cot theta. Therefore cot 90 degree minus theta, tan theta. Relation between sec and cosec, sec 90 degree minus theta, cosec theta. Cosec 90 degree minus theta, sec theta. Okay, and we solve some questions based off these identities. Okay, first question example, find the value of tan 49 degree upon cot 41 degree. Tan 49 upon cot 41, here 49 degree plus 41 degree, sum of these two angle is a 90 degree. Sum of these two angle is a 90 degree. It means complementary angle. Therefore change anyone, tan or cot, tan or cot, according to these identities. Okay, now tan 49 according to identity, tan 90 degree minus theta cot theta, tan 90 degree minus theta cot theta. Therefore tan 90 degree minus 41 degree, 90 degree minus 41 degree, it means 49, 90 minus 41, 49, so cot 41 degree. Tan 49 replaced by cot 41 degree, cot 41 degree as it is, cot 41 cancel out, answer is 1. Next question, question number first, part third, tan 10 degree divided by cot 80 degree. Tan plus 80, 90 degree, complementary. Therefore we using identity tan 90 minus theta cot theta. So tan 90 minus 80, 10 degree, tan 90 minus 80 cot 80 as it is, cot 80 cancel out, answer is 1. Next question, question second question, part first, cosec 25 degree minus sec 65 degree. 25 plus 65, 90, using identity cosec 25 means cosec as it is 25 degree, we write 90 minus 65, 90 minus 65 means 25, minus as it is sec 65 as it is, cosec 90 minus theta, according to identity cosec 90 minus theta sec theta. Therefore sec 65 minus sec 65 as it is, sec 65 minus sec 65, answer is 0. Next question, question number 4, part first, find sin 35 degree upon cos 45 degree whole square plus cos 55 degree upon sin 35 degree whole square minus 2 cos 60 35 plus 55, 35 plus 55 90, 55 plus 35 90. It means using identity sin 35 means sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Therefore here sin 35 we write cos 55 divided by cos 55 as it is, plus as it is, whole square as it is, cos 55 according to identity cos 90 minus theta sin theta, it means sin 35 divided by sin 35 as it is, whole square as it is, minus as it is, 2 as it is, multiply cos 60, value of cos 60 in chapter 6 according to trigonometric table, value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. So put here cos 60 equal 1 by 2. Next step, cos 55 cancel out, it means 1 whole square, sin 35 cancel out, it means 1 whole square, minus 2 cancel out by 2, it means 1 whole square, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, minus 1, 2 minus 1 1 is answer. Next question, question number 6, express the following in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. First part given sin 81 degree plus sin 71 degree. These two values convert into trigonometric ratios in angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay, Sine as it is 81 degree. 81 means we can write as 90 minus 9. 90 minus 9 means 81, plus as it is sine as it is 71. We can write 71 as 90 minus 19. 90 minus 19, 71. So as well as according to identity, sine 90 minus theta cos theta, therefore sine 90 minus theta cos 9 degree, sine 90 minus theta cos 19 degree, therefore cos 9 degree plus cos 19 degree, cos 9 degree plus cos 19 degree, answer in between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay, next question. Question number 15. Sorry, question number 10. Prove sine 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta equal tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Taking LHS. LHS part, sine 90 minus theta according to identity, sine 90 minus theta cos theta and cos 90 minus theta sine theta. Okay, LHS part solve. Taking RHS, RHS part is tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Tan theta, tan theta means according to identity, value of tan theta sine upon cos. We know that tan theta equal sine theta divided by cos theta. Tan theta divided by, sorry, tan theta equal sine theta upon cos theta. Sine upon cos, 1 as it is, again tan square theta. Tan square theta means sine square upon cos square. Sine theta upon cos theta as it is. Taking LHS of denominator part. LHS is a cos square theta LCM. LCM, taking LCM, LCM is a cos square theta. Cos square theta into 1 cos square theta. Cos square theta divided by cos square theta 1 into sine square, sine square. Okay, sine theta divided by cos theta. Sine theta divided by cos theta as it is cos square theta plus sine square theta. We know that according to identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Therefore cos square theta sine square theta replaced by 1 upon cos square, 1 upon cos square. Okay, first term multiply by fourth term and second term multiply by third term. First into fourth. First into fourth means sine theta into cos square theta. Sine theta into cos square theta. Second term multiply by third term. Cos theta into 1. Cos theta into 1. Here cos theta cancel out. Remaining part sine theta into cos theta. Sine theta into cos theta. LHS part cos theta into sine theta. RHS part is also sine theta into cos theta. So LHS equal RHS. Here we write cos into sine, here we write sine into cos. We know that in multiplication associative rule are follow. Therefore 2 into 3 6 and 3 into 2 is also 6. Answer is same na. Similarly cos into sine, sine into cos. Okay. Next question. Question number 15. Question number 15 means if sine 3 theta equal cos theta minus 6 degree, where 3 theta and theta minus 6 degree are acute angles, then find the value of theta. According to given condition, sine 3 theta equal cos theta minus 6 degree. Sine 3 theta equal cos theta minus 6 degree. Right as it is. So sine 3 theta cos theta minus 6 degree. Change anyone, sine or cos. Sine or cos. Here we change sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta means we know that sine 90 minus theta, 90 degree minus theta degree cos theta. Therefore sine 3 theta means therefore here cos 90 minus 3 theta. Cos 90 minus 3 theta means sin 3 theta, sin 3 theta. So sin 3 theta replaced by cos 90 degree minus 3 theta, sin 3 theta replaced by cos 90 degree minus 3 theta equal cos theta minus 6 degree, cos theta minus 6 degree as it is. Okay, according to a left hand cancellation law, cos cancel out by cos, cos cancel out by cos, remaining part 90 degree minus 3 theta, 90 degree minus 3 theta equal theta minus 6 degree, theta minus 6 degree, 90 degree minus 3 theta, theta minus 6 degree. Okay, next. नाइन्टी डिग्री माइनस 3 थीटा इक्वल थीटा माइनस 6 degree. Putting similar value on similar side, similar value on similar side. 90 and 6 are in degrees, so in same side 90 as it is, 6 transferring on other side, minus convert into plus, so 90 plus 6. Theta as it is, minus 3 theta convert other side, minus 3 theta convert other side, so minus convert into plus, therefore minus 3 theta plus 3 theta, 90 plus 6, 90 plus 6 means 96, theta plus 3 theta 4 theta, 96 equal 4 theta, therefore value of theta is 90 divided by 4, 96 divided by 4, 96 divided by 4 cancel out by 24 time, therefore value of theta is 24 degree. Answer is 24 degree. Theta equal 24 degree. Next question. Important question. Question number 17. Very important. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle, A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle, then prove that angle B plus C divided by 2 equal cot angle A divided by 2. Solution. We know that in a triangle sum of all interior angle is a 180 degree. Therefore we know that in a triangle sum of interior angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal a 180 degree in a triangle. Okay, in a triangle by angle sum property sum of all angle is a 180 degree. Okay, according to given question, in left hand side angle B and angle C, B plus C divided by 2 equal cot angle A divided by 2. So equation first, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180 degree. Equation first dividing each term by 2. Equation first dividing each term by 2. Angle A divided by 2, angle B divided by 2, angle C divided by 2 equal 180 is also divided by 2. Each term will divided by 2. According to question, left hand side B plus C, therefore B plus C divided by 2, in left hand side angle B divided by 2, angle C divided by 2, angle A by 2 transferring on other side, so plus convert into minus, 180 divided by 2 means 90, angle A by 2 transferring on other side, so plus convert into minus angle A by 2. Left hand side taking LCM is a 2, taking LCM is a 2, so angle B plus angle C divided by 2 equal 90 degree as it is minus angle A by 2 as it is. Then according to question ABC, then prove that tan angle B plus C by 2 cot angle A by 2. Okay, so taking tan on both side, taking tangent on both side. Tangent means B plus C divided by 2, 90 minus A by 2. Tan B plus C by 2 equal tan 90 minus A by 2. Okay, tan angle B plus angle C divided by 2 as it is tan 90 minus theta. According to identity, tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta equal cot theta. Therefore here write tan 90 minus A by 2 replaced by cot A by 2. Therefore tan B plus C divided by 2 equal cot A divided by 2. Solve. Hence proved. Tan B plus C by 2 equal cot A by 2. Hence proved. If you have any doubt, then write your doubts in comment section. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.